skills required to perform them. Engineers will need to be proficient in new technologies and methodologies. This shift will require engineers to adapt and acquire new skills. Continuous learning and professional development will become essential. Engineers will need to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI and other emerging technologies to remain relevant in their field. However, this doesn't necessarily mean fewer jobs overall. While some traditional roles may diminish, new opportunities will arise. The engineering sector will see a surge in demand for roles that involve innovation, problem-solving, and the application of AI in novel ways. New opportunities will emerge in areas like AI development, data science, and robotics. These fields will require engineers to have a deep understanding of both engineering principles and advanced technologies. The future of engineering will be interdisciplinary, blending traditional engineering skills with cutting-edge tech expertise. The key is to stay adaptable and embrace lifelong learning. Engineers who are willing to continuously update their skills and knowledge will thrive in this new landscape. Embracing change and being proactive about professional growth will be crucial for success in the evolving world of engineering. So how can engineers thrive in an AI-driven world? The answer lies in focusing on skills that complement AI, not compete with it. Strengthening your problem-solving and critical thinking abilities will be key. Learn to analyze data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on AI insights. Additionally, cultivate your soft skills. Communication, collaboration, and creativity are becoming increasingly valuable in the workplace. These qualities are essential for leading teams, communicating complex ideas, and driving innovation. The future of engineering isn't about humans versus machines. It's about creating a harmonious relationship where both can thrive and excel. It's about humans and machines working together, leveraging each other's strengths to achieve unprecedented levels of innovation and efficiency. AI will handle the routine, allowing engineers to focus on the creative and strategic. This collaboration frees up human minds to tackle complex problems and think outside the box. For aspiring engineers, this means embracing a future of continuous learning. The landscape of engineering is ever evolving, and staying ahead requires a commitment to lifelong education. Develop a strong foundation in STEM fields, as these are the building blocks of innovation. Mastering these subjects will provide the tools needed to navigate and shape the future, but also cultivate your curiosity and adaptability. The ability to learn and adapt quickly is just as important as technical knowledge. The most successful engineers will be those who can harness the power of AI while remaining firmly in the driver's seat. They will lead projects, guide teams, and direct AI systems to achieve their vision. The future of engineering is bright, filled with opportunities for those who are prepared to seize them. But it belongs to those ready to adapt and evolve alongside technology. Embrace the change and be a part of the revolution that will shape the world of tomorrow.